go, Chef Swagger. Yay, let's go, Chef Swagger. Yay, let's go, Chef Swagger.
No time to waste.
Yay.
Let's jump right into what we've got for today. T-bone steak. Seasonings: salt, Creole seasoning, jerk seasoning, black pepper, extra virgin olive oil, garlic seasoning, fresh garlic, asparagus, chopped onions, thyme, curry, seasoning cubes, unsalted butter, sweet corns. Hello, swaggers. Welcome to my kitchen. Step right with me where flavor meets swag. Pat dry with paper towels and add salt after letting the steak sit out for about 30 to 45 minutes before cooking. This helps it cook evenly. Massage and pat that steak with love and respect like your newfound romance. T-bone steak is rich in complete protein, iron, boosts immunity, aids wound healing. Calm down, Chef Swagger. We didn't ask for happy ending on that steak, but just massage only. Sprinkle black pepper, jerk seasoning, seasonings, curry, thyme. Repeat the same process on the other side of the steak. T-bone steak supports testosterone production, contains healthy fats, and great source of B vitamins. Add a drizzle of oil, butter, and onions into the heated heavy skillet over high heat until smoking hot. Place the steak down. Don't move it for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip and sear the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. Do you know a T-bone steak gets its name from the T-shaped bone that runs right through the middle of the cut? The bone looks like a capital T, dividing the steak into 2 distinct sections of meat. Transfer the pan to a preheated oven between 400 to 525 degrees. You can serve your T-bone steak with scrambled eggs, mashed potatoes, roasted veggies, peppercorn sauce. Use steam water to get the asparagus done. Cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Hold up, take a good look at that T-bone. I like mine well done. And that butter on top? That's the secret to keeping it juicy and flavorful. The butter dripping over it just seals the deal. Absolutely mouth-watering. Succulent center and butter glaze. That's a T-bone done the right way. Juicy and flavorful to the core. Oh boy, somebody's gonna feel that drink later. Hope you're ready to kick it when the moment calls.
Ooh, look at that.
Yes, I can see. That steak looks
Juicy.
insanely juicy. You can almost taste the juiciness through the screen. Scrambled eggs are beneficial for providing high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals, and other nutrients that support muscle growth, brain health, eye health, and weight management. Oh boy, that was a big chunk of T-bone steak. Uh-oh, somebody better hide the bottle. Chef Swagger's on the loose. He's definitely getting tipsy tonight. Believe me, Swaggers, when you're done with this dish, you'll wake up hungry all over again tomorrow. That's how balanced and satisfying it is. Can you see the shape of the bone? It looks like letter capital T. That's why it's called T-bone steak. Thank you for watching!